Tired of buffalo plaid vinyl projects that look more like a buffalo wreck? Let's fix that. First things first, a clean surface is crucial. Wipe down your wood, metal, or whatever you're applying the vinyl to with a lint-free cloth and some rubbing alcohol. This removes dust and oils that can prevent the vinyl from sticking properly. Allow it to dry completely before moving on. Next up, precision cutting. Ensure your buffalo plaid design is properly sized for your surface in your cutting machine software. Double-check your cut settings. A slightly deeper cut might be needed for intricate plaid patterns to ensure clean weeding. Slow and steady wins the race here. Carefully weed away all the excess vinyl, leaving only the plaid pattern you want to transfer. Take your time, especially with the small squares, as they can easily lift. A good weeding tool is your best friend here. Apply transfer tape to your weeded design. Burnish it really well with a scraper tool, both on the front and back. This ensures the vinyl adheres completely to the transfer tape for a clean lift. Now, the moment of truth: alignment. Use a ruler or registration marks if your design includes them to perfectly position the plaid pattern on your surface. Proper alignment prevents skewed lines and mismatched intersections. This is key for a professional finish. Burnish the vinyl onto your surface one last time, then carefully peel away the transfer tape at a 45-degree angle. If any vinyl lifts, burnish it down again and repeat. And there you have it, a perfectly prepared and applied buffalo plaid vinyl design.